Good morning students, 12th standard physics. So in this class we are going to discuss about mutual inductance. So mutual inductance means mutually induced EMF due to the one coil in the neighboring coil. So consider a coil 1 and 2 have N1 and N2 turns. So in coil N1, so current I1 is flowing. So due to the current flow, there is a magnetic field around the coil. So there is a change in magnetic flux linked with the coil 2. So there is a induced EMF produced in the neighboring coil. So that is the mutual inductance due to the coil 1. So the coil 1 and 2 are somewhat nearer but not touch each other. So the current I1 is responsible for there is a change in current in the coil 1 is responsible for the induced EMF produced in the neighboring coil. So that is mutual inductance. So turn N2 turns, then magnetic flux. So there is a change in magnetic flux linked with the coil due to 1. So N2 pi 21 is directly proportional to current I1. So induced EMF is directly proportional due to the current I1. So the flux linkage of every single turn. So total linkage is equal to M21 I1. So M21 is a constant of proportionality, that is mutual inductance. So M21 is equal to, just rearrange, you will get N2 pi 21 by I1. Then so what is my mutual inductance? So we can define in this way. So mutual inductance is defined as a total flux linkage in the coil 2 when 1 ampere current flowing through the coil. That's all. So mutual inductance is defined as a flux linkage in the coil 2 when 1 ampere current flowing in the coil 1. Then so according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, so current changes from 0 to maximum in time t. So the induced EMF produced in the neighboring coil, that E2 is equal to, that is coil 2. So E2 is equal to minus dN2 pi 21 by dt. So it's coil N2 number of turns. So there is a magnetic flux in the coil 2 due to the current I1. So N2 pi 21 is equal to M21 I1. So just replace it, then take out the mutual inductance taken outside common. So that is minus M21 di1 by dt. So why the negative symbol? So negative symbol shows the induced EMF is always oppose the direction of flow of current in the coil 1. So minus M21 di1 by dt. Just then, so we can again define in different way the mutual inductance. That mutual inductance is defined as a opposing induced EMF in the coil 2 when 1 ampere per second flowing in the coil 1. So that is the definition. Just see the formula, you can write your own definition. So that's all. Then similarly, so here coil 1 current I1 flows, the induced EMF produced in the coil 2. Now just replace. So current here in this direction. So current I2 is flowing in the coil 2. So the flux, that is pi 12, then mutual inductance M12. So M12 equal to N1 pi 12 by I2. Then induced EMF produced in the coil 1. So minus M12 di2 by dt. Then mutual inductance 1 and 2 are same. So simply we can common, it's M. So mutual inductance mainly depends upon the size and shape. So size of the coil, shape of the coil and orientation of the coil. Then so what is the dielectric present inside the coil? So that's all. Then so what is the unit of mutual inductance? So already we know the self inductance unit is Henry. In similar here mutual inductance also Henry. But so they are using a formula here. So M21 equal to N2 pi 21 by I1. So mutual inductance is 1 Henry when 1 ampere current flowing in a coil 1 producing a flux linkage in the coil 2. So that's all. So if mutual inductance is 1 Henry when total flux linkage produced in the coil 2 when 1 ampere current flowing in the coil 1. That's all. Then in another way using this formula, so again mutual inductance is equal to 1 ampere, that is 1 Henry when so opposing induced EMF produced in the coil 2 when 1 ampere per second, there is a change in current in the coil 1, that is 1 Henry. Then I already told, so just you need to understand more the concept of mutual inductance. You need to do one problem regarding this. Just it's a simple problem. So current I1 flowing in the coil 1, so its current changes from 2 to 10 ampere in 0.4 second. So it produces a 60 millivolt. Just see. So we are seeing the theory, then just correlate with the problem, you can understand more clear. So current in the coil 1 changes from 2 to 10 ampere in 0.4 second, produces a induced EMF in the neighboring coil, that is 60 millivolt. Then they are asking what is the mutual inductance of the coil. So I know, so we know the formula for mutual inductance, M is equal to that. So whatever the data given, you need to choose the formula. So they have given the induced EMF, that is mutually induced EMF, then current value, then time. So you need to choose this formula. So M is equal to that induced EMF divided by di by dt. So that is 60 millivolts. So 60 into 10 power minus 3. Then change in current. So 2 to 10. So 10 minus 2, 8. So just substitute. Then dt so divided by then 0.4 seconds. So it should go to numerator. So here 60. So take out 10. So 6 into 10. So 10 into 0.4, 4. 6 into 4, 24. 24 by 8. So that's 24 by 8. So that is simply is equal to, so 1 8 is 8, 2 8s, then 3 8s are 24, so 3 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Then again the same, the coil 1, the current changes from 4 ampere to 16 ampere in 0.03 seconds. Just compare. So the current change is 2 to 10 ampere, here 4 to 16 ampere. Then what is the time interval? 0.4 second, here 0.03 second. So it's a change in current, here 12 ampere, here 8 ampere. But the time change, it's 0.4 second, here 0.03 second. So what is the induced EMF produced in the neighboring coil? So they are asking. So again, so we know the mutual inductance of the coil. So already told the mutual inductance is same. So here M12 is equal to M21 is equal to M. So that induced EMF equal to M di by dt. So already we know, we find mutual inductance equal to 3 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. So 3 into 10 power minus 3. Di by dt, so the change in current 16 minus 4, 12, then 12, then time 0.03. So 0.03 we can write it as 3 into 10 power minus 2. So 3 cancel, then 10 power minus 2 goes to the numerator. So 10 power minus 2 goes to numerator as 10 power plus 2. So 10 power plus 2 into 10 power minus 3, you will get 10 power 1. That is 10 power minus 1. So that is 10 power minus 1 into 12. So we will get 1.2. So the induced EMF produced is 1.2 volts. So just if you do some problem, you can understand more clear the concept. So the change in current 2 to 10 ampere in 0.4 second, then you will get the induced EMF as mutually induced 60 millivolt. Here 4 to 16 ampere, but you will get 1.2 volt. So okay students, so in this class we have discussed that mutual inductance, then you do one problem, then unit of mutual inductance. Okay students, thank you.